The pattern is there. Most people never see it. You read those best psychology books on human behavior for beginners, thinking they'll help understand yourself better only to realize the truth about what comes next destroys everything. By the end, you'll discover why most miss this crucial thing. I remember the day I stumbled upon those best psychology books on human behavior for beginners. They were supposed to be a guide, simple and straightforward answers about why we act the way we do. But that is not even the strangest part. The first book was called The Curious Case of Self-Improvement. It started, but as I flipped through its pages, something felt off, almost unnatural. But here is where things get strange. Each chapter ended not just with a conclusion but with an open question about what comes next. I delved into another book called Navigating Minds. It promised to explain human behavior in simple terms, using everyday examples and relatable scenarios. But as I read on, it became clear that these weren't just explanations, they were warnings about the complexities of our own minds. But that is not even the strangest part. The author kept returning to one concept: what comes next. It wasn't a question about future events but rather an exploration into understanding ourselves better and questioning what we truly know. The final book I read before we continue. People who explore their own thoughts deeply are rare. Welcome to MindLedger. I was sitting in the quiet of my room one evening with a cup of tea and these books on human behavior. They were supposed to be guides, maps for understanding myself and others better. But as I turned page after page, something strange happened. Here is what they found, and it made no sense. I started noticing patterns, behaviors that didn't fit the neat theories laid out before me. The authors tried so hard to explain why we do things but kept hitting a wall of mystery. But the real story was buried much deeper. My brain couldn't stop digging through these pages looking for answers. It was here is what they found, and it made no sense. I started seeing myself in new ways that felt almost foreign. These books kept mentioning the same thing: our actions are not just reactions but part of something bigger we don't fully understand. But the real story was buried much deeper. Everything I read pointed to this strange idea that there is more at play than mere thoughts and emotions. It felt here is what they okay, I'll spill the beans. You know those psychology books you've been reading, those ones that claim to unlock human behavior and self-improvement? Well, they did something strange for me. But first, something even more disturbing. Imagine opening a book expecting answers about your own mind, only to find it's all wrong. That's what happened with one of the best books on psychology I read recently. It started innocently enough, talking about how we make decisions and why people act in certain ways. But that is not even the strangest part. The author went beyond just explaining behavior. They predicted my future actions, but here is where things get strange. It wasn't a vague prediction either. It talked about specific events I would face later, almost as if someone had peeked into my life. But that's not all. But first, something even more disturbing. The author's insights seemed to align perfectly with patterns from past books on human behavior and self-improvement. Yet these predictions were so specific it felt, and it was shocking. We all look for happiness, growth, and fulfillment, right? But what if I told you that's not always the case? Most people read psychology books to feel better or understand themselves more deeply. Yet, one person found out their journey wasn't about self-improvement at all. At first, they felt confused. They thought it would be straightforward: find a book, learn some tricks, and boom. But instead of feeling lighter, they started to unravel deeper questions. They realized that the books weren't just for them. They were part subscribe now. The next part drops very soon. Of a larger puzzle. The pattern was there all along. People read these books because deep down, something felt wrong in their lives but they couldn't put their finger on it. That's when everything clicked. Those feelings of unease weren't about finding answers or fixing themselves, but uncovering truths that might make them uncomfortable. At the beginning, something felt wrong. Now you understand what it was. And there is something else nobody talks about. Until now. You know those psychology books you read? The ones that promise to unlock the secrets of human behavior for beginners? Well, they showed me a truth that was both strange and unsettling. Nobody has talked about this. Until now. I thought understanding how people act would make everything clear, but it turned out to be something more complex than any book could explain. And there is something else nobody talks about. Until now. Those books where nobody has talked about this. Until now. I realized that even as these books helped, a part of them always felt off. And there is something else nobody talks about. Until now. They made me think differently, but they didn't give the whole picture. It's nobody has talked about this. Until now. What follows rewrites everything. I discovered that understanding human behavior isn't just about reading and analyzing, it's also about feeling it from within. And there is so much more to, and your mind has been doing this all along. You just never noticed. But the real question still remains unanswered. Part 13 drops soon, and it changes everything we covered today. The next episode goes even deeper. Subscribe so you don't miss it.